In this video, I will explain how you can schedule a new meeting or lecture in Zoom using the Canvas interface. First of all, click Zoom in your course navigation. You will be presented with a list of upcoming meetings, and this list will probably be empty if this is your first time visiting. Click the button Schedule a New Meeting in the upper right corner. You will be presented with a form that asks you to fill in various details, such as topic or title and a brief description. When filling in the date and time, please bear in mind that this is in US format, which means that you have to check AM or PM for the time. The duration of the meeting is only a hint. Your meeting can be shorter or longer, and you can start the meeting before the time or after the time. Just bear in mind that Zoom will automatically publish the meeting to your course calendar. When it comes to video settings, we recommend that the host video, that is you, is on and participants' video is off during the meeting. And for audio, please select both. That means that participants or students can join both by their computer or their telephone. The option Join Before Host means that any user or student can join the meeting before you, the host, joins the meeting. And Mute participants upon entry means that the audio will be muted. If you want to save the video and audio for later use, you can record the meeting to your local computer. Just note that if you have a long meeting, it might take some time for your computer to transcode the video and audio. Click on Save and you will be presented with the details of the meeting or lecture. You can copy the Join URL, which is the URL to join the meeting. You can also copy the whole meeting invitation, which also contains telephone numbers. If you click on Course Meetings, you will get back to the list of upcoming meetings. I seem to have made a mistake concerning the date for my meeting. I click the title of the meeting. I click the button Edit, and then I correct the date and click Save again. And this time, it seems to be correct. Next to the meeting title, you can see the buttons Start and Delete. Delete will, of course, delete your meeting, and Start will start the meeting, and we will cover that in another video. Thank you for watching.